Hello everybody, this is Mansoura from Iran. I'm a luxury worker and today I want to make a beautiful ring from a type of semi-precious stone named cryoprice. Please watch this video and then you tell me what's your mind about my method to making this beautiful ring. Thank you.
First, I drill holes in the stones with these drills to make rings. Then I draw the shape of the rings on the stones with a marker. How beautiful and colorful this stone is. Do you agree? Now it's time to remove the excess stone by cutting machine. Water should be poured on the cutting blade from both sides. Finally, the initial shape of the stone ring will be like this. Okay, I'll start removing the excess stone by the cutting machine. Because this step takes too much time, I'll speed up the video. Now it's time to size the rings. Two rings is 60 and the other is 53. When the size of the ring is 60, the inner diameter is about 19. So I use a flex shaft grinder and a diamond trail to cut and size the rings. In the next step, I use a gemstone cutting machine and a grinder wheel known as CBN to bring the rings closer to their final shape. We are in spring now and the trees are so nice. Agree? The ring I made is so beautiful too. I made one of these rings for my dear brother. I'm going to home and see which one he chooses. He compared the rings and said he would like the one I made for him to be a little more delicate. Well, at this step, I shape the ring with a grinding disc and make the walls thinner so that they fit comfortably between the fingers. They're so nice. I love them. And the final step is to polish and beautify the rings. I'm happy. In this step, I use sandpaper based on silicon carbide abrasive. I start with 150 grit sandpaper. In the first polishing stage, all scratches from the grinding stage must be completely removed. I'm polishing and then see the surface out during the light to show all scratches removed. I do this for all the rings and then I go to next step. Well, I'll replace the sandpaper with 220 grit. the next step, I use 400 uh, grit sandpaper to remove finer scratches and rich, shiny polish. In the third step, I use 400 grit sandpaper, and the final step, 1000 grit. A carelessness caused me to lose one of my beautiful rings. The ring fell from my hand, hit the wall, and broke. I was very upset. Now we only have two rings. In the next step, I use a drill with a softer grit to remove scratches from the inside of the ring. Now it's time to sand the inside of the ring. I use a sandpaper that's shaped like a roller and stuck to an unusable drill bit. I change the rail and start grinding the inside of the ring. This step may take more times. The more time you spend, the better the result you will get. You can grit this step with several sandpapers in different grits to earn shiny and better polish in the inside of the rings. Oh, and the final step. I use a drill with a felt tip and a diamond paste to reach a shiny and nice polishing in the inside of the rings. It's diamond paste. I rub it inside of the ring and spread it everywhere. Now it's ready for final polishing step with felt bit. I'll do this for the other ring too. Congratulations! We passed all steps and now we have two beautiful and shiny gemstone rings. I wish I hadn't missed the third ring, but it was an accident and I had to accept it. Okay, and the final step. I clean the rings with the clothes and oh, they're so nice and shiny. I love these beautiful rings. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in art gems, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am also gem cutting teacher and prepare training packages for those interested. Please contact me. Goodbye.